Oh, hello, I didn't see you come in. Anyway, while you're here, why don't we take a look at the second chapter of my latest book, Say Nein to Snoring. This time, we're going to explore what many Germans and, confusingly, the psychology profession consider to be some of my most controversial methods, but what I like to call the blunt trauma techniques. Sure, there was that time in Munich when the baboon escaped from the cage and there's the screaming and the blood everywhere, but that was years ago. And anyway, they did stop snoring. During my blunt trauma trials in Deutschland, I tested many remedies, some more effective than others. Physical pain, psychological trauma, abduction, DIY surgery, or extreme anxiety. Das ist gut, ja? Also, forget your over-the-counter remedies und buy meine Bücher. Say Nein to Snoring. Nein!